A lot has changed in North Korea in the last 5 years when it comes to transportation. Everyone who had visited before noticed how many more cars we have on the streets than you used to. There were plenty of new Chinese cars, Volkswagen and Toyota SUVs, hybrid Toyota Priuses, and we even stumbled upon one of the fanciest cars in all of Pyongyang. More on that later. These license plates. All of the extra traffic had brought in new challenges and regulations.
On the back of the cars, can you see the car plates? So here, these different plates represent the owners of the cars. So if the car plates are in blue color, it means it is kind of public owned. And if it is in red color, the owner of it is the foreigners, like members of embassies and international organizations. And if it is in yellow color, private person owns it. So in our country, it is not common for an ordinary person to have a car. But if someone is a famous sportsman, especially sportsmen or the scientists, they can be awarded those cars from the government. And also, there used to be no limits in the driving of the cars, but nowadays the number of the cars are increasing, so the car accidents are getting common problem for us. So in our country, we made a regulation, which means that the car plates ending with odd number can run on odd number days, and ending with even number can run on even number days. Only a few of them who have special permits can run every day.
The street traffic regulators are still present, and you might also notice the black license plates which represent military-owned vehicles. All of the taxi cars have blue license plates as they are publicly owned, unlike in other socialist countries like Cuba where taxis are private. Here in North Korea, the majority of the cars have blue license plates and they're owned by the public. Mercedes-Benz. My dad had one of these in the early 2000s. He was really proud of it. When it comes to mass public transportation, the Pyongyang metro remains the king, with some of the deepest and most beautiful underground stations in the entire world. Interesting looking yellow double-decker buses could also be seen around town. The trams we saw on the roads were the classic ones in white and blue, which look straight out of a movie. They also have the regular ones in red, which have sharper edges but lack the classic rounder look of the blue trams. Both of those types of trams are being replaced by the modern red trams. Trolleybuses are also quite popular, and you can see the overhead wires being properly maintained. The older trolleybuses come in red and blue. Perhaps the sadness in the eyes of the little boy's face can be partially explained by him not catching the newest North Korean trolleybuses, which come in pink, white and black. As far as personal means of transportation go, bicycles and electric motorbikes of all sizes are as ubiquitous as always and can be found on all of the roads and the sidewalks. And for this episode's finale, the nicest Mercedes-Benz S-Class we saw on the trip comes with the most premium license plates in all of the dprk, which are exclusive for the highest level party officials. Park Ji-han was saying about the cars that you have like even numbers.
Okay, even numbers can only ride on even number day.
Yeah, but for example, today is Friday. Or what's the first day of the week in Korea? Is it Monday?
It's Monday.
Monday. So today's day number 5. Like, this one is uneven, but this one is even.
Yeah. So we can't ride.
Oh, he cannot go.
Nice.
Also, he's just sitting here all day. Yeah, really.
Really?
And what about this one? This like diplomatic car? No, this one, you see?
Oh, it's...
This one is different level, yeah. This is elite. That's the elite car. Mercedes-Benz. You didn't say anything about the Red Star. Elite. Okay. Here, no questions asked, no checkpoints, nothing. Yeah, you keep driving. Yeah. So that's the highest level of license plates. This is the equivalent of Dubai license plate, which is just one. That's it.